You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. Touch. Let's break it down. It looks like it should be pronounced touch, right? Definitely the spelling suggests it should be touch, but no, it's a schwa sound, it's an sound, just alright? Just like b, p, touch, alright? So it's more like T-U-C-H, touch. How to pronounce in English? Touch, alright? Not touch. Touch. It's easy once you know correct pronunciation in English. Touch, a verb to touch. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.